Dears, welcome to Saturday Dawn Quiz. How many holes are played in a typical round of golf? 18. How many bases are there on a baseball field? 4 bases. How long is a marathon? 26.2 miles. Which year was the Premier League found? The Premier League was found in 1992. In what game is love a score? In tennis, love a score. In what year were women allowed to compete in the modern Olympic Games and in what sport? In the year 1900 and in the game that is tennis. Wayne Rooney scored his Premier League first goal against which team? Against Arsenal. In what sport can you get a hole in one? In golf. In what type of race is the Tour de France? In a bike race. What color are the goalposts in football? The color is yellow.